Hello friends, welcome to my channel Onus. Today we learn a short video about Teachers Day. Namaskar. First at all, good morning to all my teachers, friends and all respected persons. Today 5th September and we know this day as Teachers Day. A teacher is like the sun, which shines alone, but gives light to everyone. Besides this, today is the birth anniversary of one of the modern India's most notable teacher and philosopher Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was independent India's second president. We believed that teachers should be the best property in the country, who prepare the future of our country. Otherwise, we all know that a teacher should have a special place in every student's heart. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor to me. So, I requested to my all friends to respect every teacher always. Thank you.